Looking for a refreshingly delicious and ridiculously easy vegan dessert? What if I told you that this came from just 3 simple ingredients you probably already have at home? Today, I'm showing you how to whip up the easiest vegan ice cream ever. And trust me, it's gonna blow your mind. All you'll need are frozen bananas, peanut butter, and cocoa powder. That's it. Affordable, accessible, and absolutely drool-worthy. Equipment, nothing fancy. Just a blender and a freezer-safe container. And prep? It couldn't be easier. Step 1. Slice your bananas and pop them into the freezer for at least 4 hours. Or overnight if you want them extra creamy. Why freeze them? Frozen bananas are the secret to that rich, dreamy ice cream texture without needing dairy. Now for the magic. Add your frozen banana slices to the blender and blend until they break down into a creamy base. Next, toss in a generous spoonful of peanut butter and a tablespoon or 2 of cocoa powder. Blend again until everything's silky smooth. Want to get creative? Add a splash of vanilla extract, a pinch of cinnamon, or a drizzle of maple syrup for extra sweetness. Once blended, pour the mixture into your freezer-safe container and spread it out evenly. Freeze for about 2 hours, just enough to firm it up to that perfect ice cream scoop consistency. When it's ready, grab your favorite ice cream scoop and dig in. Top with whatever your heart desires. Fresh berries, chopped nuts, chocolate chips, coconut flakes. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it. A delicious, creamy, vegan ice cream that's simple enough for anyone to make. Who says you need fancy ingredients or hours in the kitchen for amazing desserts? Let me know in the comments what other vegan desserts you want me to tackle next. And if you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tasty new video. Catch you in the next one.